This home is brought to you by Roxana Shepley. If you would like to learn more about how your home could be listed by Roxana, visit her at www.roxanashepleyrealtor.com or call 478-256-3120. Welcome home. This 5 years old 5-bed 3-bath has so much to offer: 2 beds on main level, laundry room west/mud sink, hardwood floors in living areas to include kitchen, ceramic tile in baths/laundry. Kitchen west/large island and room for barstools, pantry, granite counters in kitchen and baths. Master bath west/large ceramic tile shower, DBL vanity, master bed west/coffered ceiling. Privacy fenced yard west/large covered patio and firepit. Kitchen measurements include vast area. Formal dining west/French doors and judges paneling is currently being used as a bedroom.